Before placing a plant on the drawing, you need to assign its symbol and color settings. You can open the Plant Placement command from the Landscape menu, or by clicking on the toolbar icon. In the Plant Placement dialog box, select a category and a plant to place on the design screen. I'll select a crepe myrtle. Select a size, and then select a symbol type. Symbol types include symbol and area fill. Area fill is typically used for annual color or ground cover areas, whereas symbol is typically used for shrubs or trees. You can select the symbol exterior or interior symbol by clicking on the corresponding drop-down menu and choosing the symbol you'd like to use. At this time, we have 56 symbol exterior choices and 26 symbol interior choices. The combination of these two will create 1,456 different symbol combinations, not including color. I'll select an exterior and an interior. And this is what will represent this symbol on the drawing screen. I can pick a color to represent the outside border of the symbol itself, and then set a radius for the plant canopy. The fill options include none, leaving the inside of the symbol blank, a solid color, a linear gradient blending from one color to another, a radial gradient, or a hatching pattern. If you use a hatching pattern, you'll need to choose the pattern you want from the pattern drop-down menu and select the foreground and background colors. For this example, I'll select a radial gradient. Choose a starting color, and if you'd like, adjust the opacity. Select an end color and adjust its opacity if needed. You can click and hold down the left mouse button on the red plus sign in the Gradient Center option, moving the center of the radial gradient around the symbol as shown in the fill preview. You can also give the plant render settings for pencil sketches or watercolors. However, we recommend that you do not use render settings for small symbols, but instead for large trees or turf areas. If you choose to use render settings for many small symbols, it can drastically slow down the printing process, and you're often unable to see the render effect in a small symbol anyway. Once your settings for this plant are set, you'll never have to adjust the settings again unless you wish to make a change. At this point, this symbol is set up and ready to be placed on the screen. I'll go ahead and place a few on the design screen here, and by pressing the Escape key, I can return to the Plant Placement command and begin editing or placing a different symbol.